In Europe, once the population of your family increases, you are expected to get or move to a bigger apartment as well. So today, follow us. Let me show you the place we found. We have been house hunting for months, and today we got a good place. So I'll be taking you guys along, though we are there already, because I don't want the video to be so long. So I will just be showing you guys inside. Though we have been packing in things gradually, but today I decided to carry you guys along to see the new place. As you can see from the outside view, it is so spacious. Likewise the inside is so spacious. Zina has been sleeping throughout, but I'll be carrying him inside now because I can't just leave him in the car while I vlog inside the house. I was thinking that I don't have too much properties, but this packing out made me realize that I should stop buying things. Like, I got a lot of things. We've been moving things here like several days, but we are not yet done. And if we go back, it will seem that we have not even started moving anything out. We have not started arranging the things we brought here. We are just packing them inside. So if you see anything that it is where it's not supposed to be, we will still rearrange it, okay? Turning on the light to see if it is working well. Here is the living room. It has a big window where you can sit and look out. So this is the view from the living room. And here is a long passage that leads to the kitchen and the dining and the sleeping rooms. Over here is switched to the dining room, and here is the lobby that leads outside. It has a place where you can hang your coats or your jackets when you enter inside the house. And over here is the kitchen. You can see things are still inside the carton. The kitchen is so spacious to my liking. We have moved some things inside the fridge because this weekend will be our last weekend in our old place. So we are just moving things slowly. Over here is a big long cupboard where you can pack a lot of things. I don't know what to be packing in here yet, but with time I will be able to figure out what we enter there. Hubby is packing the foodstuffs inside the fridge. Today is Thursday. Our last day of packing out is on Saturday. This door leads to the pantry or the store. But first of all, let me finish showing you guys the kitchen before we move on to the next room. Here is dishwashing machine. The cupboards are plenty that I don't even know what to pack inside the cupboard. And here is the pantry. I got some carton already moved in here. My one bag of rice. My cooler is up there. And this bag contains my Christmas decoration things. And of course, a lot of cartons. So let's go out from here. Here is the toilet / bedroom. And this space here is for washing machine. We still bring it later. Some cartons. Let me admire myself small in the mirror. I love standing in front of the mirror. I don't know why. Anytime I see mirror, I must go and admire myself before going out. Now let me take you to the rooms. The first switch is for the light, while the second switch is for heating the room. This is the only room with a wardrobe. Others has no wardrobe, so we'll be buying wardrobe. I've already packed some things inside the wardrobe. Baby diapers are there already. I think this will be the children's room. And here is another room. So that is it for the house tour. Are you looking for me? You are awake? Momo? The other things remaining are the big things which we'll be carrying with this hanger. So we went out now and hired hanger, which will be putting the bed. This will be carrying the bed. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video interesting. If you do so, please leave a comment below, give me thumbs up, and let me know how it is finding house in your city. Is it difficult? Here it's so difficult. Almost 4 to 5 months we are searching for a place, but thank God we finally found this place. After this vlog, the next videos you'll be seeing, I'll be shooting them from this new place. And that is it for today's video. Bye.